Good day, this is Michael with eCommerce. Today we'll be shooting ball cap photography using our Shutterstream product photography software. I did go to newera.com just to take a look at the standard kind of angles that they offer. We'll be mimicking those today. So let's get into our software. I've connected my compatible camera via USB. I just enabled my live view. I'm going to go ahead and take my ball cap and I will put it at that first angle that New Era offers, which looks like kind of a side angle here. So I'll position my object accordingly. Next thing that I guess one of the first steps will be just to optimize our camera settings. So you can adjust your shutter speed, aperture, white balance, sensitization. I'm just going to quickly optimize these for my for the type of product that I'm shooting. And I really want to focus on color accuracy here. So that all looks pretty good. The next thing I'm going to do is just adjust my focal point. Let me just adjust the viewfinder area, and as you can see, as we click this mouse, the drive lens near and far, we can bring everything back into focus. So let's go ahead here. We're going to enable our crop. We're going to pre-crop our subject. That is, define the area that we wish to shoot, which is pretty good about right there. And then to take our first photo, we simply hit the snap button. That's going to capture the image and instantly upload it for review. Overall, very good quality image captured in just seconds. Let's move on to our next image. Reposition our product. You can see our crop is retained from shot to shot, as well as our camera settings and the focal point. If we need to, we can adjust those in between shots, again, if required. But for the purpose of this demo, I don't think we'll need to. Again, our lighting is staying consistent from shot to shot as well. So that'll be our third angle. Let's go ahead to our fourth angle, which was the back of the hat. Now on this one, as our object moves a bit closer to our camera, we can go ahead and just double check on that focal point, and you're going to see we'll just bring a couple quick changes here. Looks good. We'll snap that again. Okay. Then now we're just going to show our last two. Those will be the direct side angles. And our last one here. Okay, so we've just shot all our product images. Looks like a total of 6. What we're going to do is select all these images here, enter into our editing tool. A vast suite of tools for color correction, contrast, brightness, sharpness, background removal. I'll touch on all these briefly here. First thing I'm going to do is just make a slight color correction to our color temperature. Add just a tiny little bit of contrast to our subject here, and just probably adjust the white points too with our levels tool and increase our sharpness. Now what I can do is actually hit apply to all, and when I hit apply to all in a batch process, it's going to race through and edit the entire set of images. And this is a fairly quick process, as you can see here. We're about just completed. So we've gone ahead again and done a batch edit just for some color corrections and image enhancement. Now I'm going to inspect my images using this eyedropper tool. As I move around the mouse here, you can look up in the top right. You can see the RGB color value is pure white right now. 255, 255, 255. Should I be required? Should I actually wish to remove all these backgrounds? We've got our automated background removal tool here. And as you can see, the area that's blinking in the actual frame is the area that's being cut out. Looks like it's giving a very nice cutout. I'm actually just going to hit apply to all, and again, in a batch process, we'll race through and edit all these images onto a pure white background. Okay, now again, we can go and take a look at all these. Everything onto our transparent background. Should we be required, we can choose our different background output to any color. Right now I've set it to white, so when I output it with a transparent background, it's going to output again directly on pure white. So let's go to the output stage. I'm going to choose my dynamic save tool. I'm just going to give it a master file name. We can use a barcode scanner inside of here too. I've created an editing profile. And basically inside of this profile, what we're doing here is is we're going to save each one of these images out once as a PNG image to this located folder, no resizing. We'll also save out as JPEG. Again, that's going to be with a white background because that's what I set. I'll choose 72 DPI resolution, and I can also choose maybe it's maybe I need these at 650 pixels wide. I will hit, oh, pardon me, I should also name my file. I will hit OK, and that's going to output the entire set of images to whatever folders I'd specified. Okay, now we've completed our output step here. We'll go ahead and find that folder. And we can see all the images here. Again, the set of images is JPEG, and also the set of images as PNG with transparent. So let's take a look at, that would probably be the PNG image. As you can see with the transparent background, no resizing. Whereas also our JPEG images resized to 650 pixels wide. So it's just that easy. Again, it's ShutterStream product photography software, fast, efficient, and easy solutions for creating professional quality images.